Lenovo Legion 5 Pro laptop, and it has two graphics cards. And let's see how to enable 16:9 aspect ratio resolution on this one. The operating system is Windows 10, so if I right click on the desktop, I have to go here to display settings and display resolution. I have this 2560 by 1600, but that's not a 16:9 aspect ratio resolution, so I should have 2560 by 1440, but that one is missing. So let's see how to enable that resolution. We have to exit Windows, and I will enter BIOS using the F2 key on the keyboard, and instead of using both of the cards, I will use only this one. Currently, if I right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, then here on the Performance tab we have GPU 0, which is the NVIDIA, and we have GPU 1, which is the Radeon. This is on the processor, and this is a separate chip. So by using only this one, I will have that 16:9 aspect ratio resolution, and it will show only the RTX, the NVIDIA graphics card. So let's restart Windows, right click on the desktop, shut down or sign out, and restart. Windows is restarting, and I will press F2 on the keyboard until I see the BIOS on the screen. Press F2 a few times. Now here's the BIOS. Here in the lower right corner we have the dynamic graphics and discrete graphics. Dynamic is the red one, the Radeon, which is on the processor, and I will use the discrete one, which is the NVIDIA. So this will give me the 16:9 aspect ratio. Select discrete, go here to the upper right corner to exit, save and exit the first one. Now the laptop is restarting, and it will enter into Windows, and we will have that 16:9 aspect ratio resolution. Lenovo Legion, start Windows 10. The computer has two operating systems. Currently I'm using Windows 10. Okay, and now if I right click on the desktop, display settings, and here at display resolution, I should have this 2560 by 1440 also. And by clicking on that one, notice the top and the bottom got shrinked down. We have black bars here around the centimeter here and the centimeter there. Keep the changes, let's select that one. But this resolution is used by YouTube, so if I do a screen capture I have to use this resolution. The other one is taller, because the monitor itself is taller. Now that black bar disappeared from the bottom and from the top. As you can see, the bevel, that edge, is much thinner in this case. So that's how to enable that 16:9 aspect ratio resolution, 2560 by 1440. Keep the changes. Now that this card is set as default, here in the Task Manager we have only GPU 0, we don't have 0 and 1. Only the RTX 3060 is visible.